Hello everybody, welcome back to another edition of the Modicon EdgeIO training. I'm your host Leandro Mada, and in this video what we're gonna see is the security banner feature that we have in the software. So let's go to the web interface. So I'm going to access to the IP address of the this device, the Modicon EdgeIO. Just wait for it. Okay, it's gonna be security admin in my case, and then I have to change the password to administrator 1. So you're gonna be online, open configuration from the network. Yeah. So if you go to maintenance, no, it's not set up. You have this security banner. Okay, this is the message when you're trying to access to the device. So I'm going to be offline with this. I'm going to delete the message, say hello there, welcome to the this now Modicon EdgeIO LTA. So I'm going to save this, apply. So now what I'm going to do is to log out. Then I'm going to connect again. Administrator 1. Log in. And here's the welcome message. It is weird that it has all these things. Maybe I shouldn't press the enter. Okay. But this is the message that you receive when you're trying to connect to the unit. So let's try not to use the enter in this particular case. So maintenance, is not set up, security banner, edit. Hello there, welcome to the configuration of the Modicon EdgeIO. I'm your host, Leandro Alma. RTA. Apply. Then we need to download this. Okay, log out, security admin, administrator 1, login, and you have the message, okay, and you access to this. Maybe it's good to identify and give further information. Okay, you are trying to connect to the Modicon EdgeIO that is located in the plan A site. You can get the idea. So security banner, edit message, set to default. This is the default message. If you don't want to put anything over there, just remove, apply changes, and then download. Okay, I'm going to log out, use security admin, administrator 1, login, and there is no message at all, just straight away to the configuration. Okay, so the security banner is just indication or additional indication that we have a banner before accessing to the configuration. And probably it's good to have it just to identify the device or the island that we're going to communicate with. So just have an indication, okay, this is the site A, cautious, don't touch anything, or just any other warning that you think of. Okay, so this is the security banner feature that we have on the Modicon EdgeIO. So thank you very much for watching this video, and see you in the next one.